Oh, you are so pretty.
So, welcome back to Museum Diaries. We're here to look at the kitties. This is the mama cat. Hi, baby.
Beautiful.
Hi, baby.
Hi, baby. Oh, honey. Yes, mama.
She's mama. And she has her kitties in there. Let's see.
Beautiful.
She has her kitties in the closet. Oh, look at the babies. Look at the babies.
Oh my God.
Here comes mama.
How cute.
Una belleza.
Oh.
That's Maxie.
Yes.
So this is the cat that Veronica is going to adopt, the little kitty. He's so cute. And here's the other white one. Oh, how cute. He's meowing.
Oh, they are
Yeah.
so beautiful.
So this is a little boy. Look at their tail. So
I
cute.
know, I
It's a
love
boy?
it. And the
Yeah, I think this is a boy. Or a girl. Yeah, it's a boy.
Is
I
it?
think it's a boy. Yeah.
Let's see what you are. This is a girl.
Ah.
No.
No?
Wait a minute.
Oh, baby.
Ahorita, mami.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
Mamá.
Mama wants the baby.
Este es el niño, creo.
Oh, that's the boy. There's the boy.
Oh, Maxie. Oh, Max. Hi, handsome. Hi, handsome. Let me see.
So they're 2 weeks old. They're a little over 2 weeks old. He's so little.
Oh, how precious.
It's a boy too.
Yeah. Oh, look at this one. Oh, he's so cute. Look at those
my
spots.
Goodness.
Look at the
Oh,
spots. Take him,
baby.
Veronica.
Oh.
That's his babies, Mama.
Look at the babies.
They're so adorable.
Oh.
So these kitties are going to be up for adoption. If anyone's interested, get in touch with us. They're 2 weeks. They just opened their eyes. This is a little girl.
Yes, honey.
This is a little girl.
Que los adopte alguien, todos. Está
Yeah,
bien.
take them all. Yeah, she's a little girl. Hi, baby. Hi, little baby.
Dress.
Ay, qué preciosos.
Este sí es la niña, ¿verdad?
Yeah, es niña.
Ella es bien tranquila. También, no llora mucho.
Bien tranquilita. And mommy's taking care of the kitties.
Oh, how beautiful.
Look. Oh, she's taking care of the babies. She's so cute. Ya abrieron los ojitos.
Oh, baby. Oh, here, mama.
So the kittens are 2 weeks old, a little over 2 weeks. Sunday they were 2 weeks old, and they're going on 3 weeks. Once they're approaching their 7th week, we'll probably be able to take our kitten. But look at these babies. They're so precious.
They are, and the mama's so good.
Yeah,
Es muy buena.
yeah. You're a good mama.
Muy buena mamá.
You're a good mama. Yeah, you're a good mama, baby.
Este es el
They're
niño.
so precious.
Oh, look at those two on top of
Yeah.
each other over there.
Hi, baby.
Oh, honeys.
She takes care of her kittens really good. Sí los cuida muy bien.
Mucho los
Muy
cuida.
bien.
Siempre, también papá se mete, a veces está con ellos también papá.
Isn't that cute the way they're on top of each other?
Yeah,
Oh, look at. Oh, that is so
Este es el
precious.
niño.
yeah.
Está precioso porque tiene el color aquí
Rayitas.
rayas.
Sí,
Está
sí.
He has
hermoso.
little stripes.
I know.
That's the little boy.
Es diferente.
That's Maxie.
Está más bonito porque tiene color gris. con blanco.
Sí.
This is the baby. Oh, honeys. Oh, honey.
Ay, tan hermosos, mami, tus babies.
Okay, you want to go back to mama? Here you go. Yes, honey. Here's your baby. Thank you, mama.
So we wanted to show you guys a video of the kittens, and we're going to be adopting one, maybe two, but these babies are precious, precious. They're striped. They have patterns. 2 of them do anyhow. So you can see.
Su carita.
There they go. Okay. Okay. Look at this location that we found on the way back from the kitties. This is a temple.
Did you get the front sign?
Mon Temple of Los
These are all
Angeles.
serpents. Oh, that is magnificent. That's glass.
It's beautiful.
My goodness, what a piece.
It's all brass.
People drop coins in there and make
Yeah.
wishes. Isn't that magnificent?
Yes.
Look at, there's dragons up there too.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. That is just, those are Buddhas, I think they're called, these shapes.
This is lovely. Wow. What are these made
Did you
of?
get all of these?
Yeah, I got all of these. This is... Wow, I want to get this one over here. Yeah. I want to get this over here. This is a cool place. Wow. Look at this Buddha. And there's more over here. There's Buddhas everywhere. Look at these. Fascinating. Very cool. Very cool place. There's Veronica. Okay. This is the Mon Temple of Los Angeles. Very nice.
Statues over here.
Yeah, I didn't see these.
And all of these around the tree. Look at this tree. This is amazing. Wow. You got the big Buddha here.
Yes.
Oh, there's a lying down one.
Didn't know this was right around the corner from where we live.
Me either. Look at this
Very
one.
interesting.
It has the serpent heads all around.
Yeah, this one has serpent heads. So cool.
Donation for water and power. Right effort. Donation for estate restoration. For right mindfulness. Chanyin. Ordination Halls Building Fund. We're going to have to come and donate some. Did you see this? Look at the elephant and the monkey.
The elephant and the monkey.
Yes. They're offering.
Look at them making an offering.
Yes. Oh. That is so precious.
So these are temple grounds. Veronica, these are temple grounds.
Yes.
Looks like they have gatherings here
Mm-hmm.
some part of the year. Very interesting.
Yes.
Very. Do you want to go look over there?
Yes. You got all of this, the flowers and
Yes.
the statues. This is magnificent, isn't it? Oh wow, look at this. Hand-carved wood. Oh my goodness.
Hand-carved.
Yeah, you can get the little monk in here praying. That is precious. Wow. How beautiful.
Yeah, I got all of this already.
Wow, look at these.
People light incense here.
Yeah. You should bring some to donate.
Very cool.
Yeah, and they have flowers everywhere.
Yeah.
Oh wow, did you see the birds and the deer?
Yeah. There's the deer and the birds.
feet and a swan. Oh, how lovely. Oh, my
Sorry.
foot. These are hand carved out of marble, honey. These are real marble.
Yeah, this is marble.
Wow. Oh, how gorgeous.
Yes. Another place for incense right here.
You see this one? This is a woman that's part lion, or a man that's part lion. See the body of the lion? That's also carved out of marble.
Yeah. That one has two bodies. They both do.
Yeah.
They both do.
They're gorgeous. The amount of work that had to be, oh, look at, and moving this.
Heavy.
Oh my goodness, how the heck did they do that? Oh, how magnificent.
So we just discovered this temple. We didn't know it was here.
But we're gonna come back.
Yeah, we'll be back.
We'll donate incense and a little money.
Okay, we hope you enjoyed this video. It's a short one, but
It's absolutely magnificent.
yeah. Yeah, lovely. Lovely temple grounds. Look at all the flowers. Okay, you guys, thanks for watching.
Thank you. Peace out.
All right,
to you all.
talk to you later. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.